Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8B, Question number 5, Basic Level. Question number 5. The price of a desktop computer decreases from $1,360 to $1,020. Find the percentage decrease in its price. In order to calculate percentage decrease, we will divide the difference of values by the final value, then multiply the result by 100 and place percentage sign next to it, as shown in formula. Here we have given initial price of the desktop computer equals $1,360. And final price of the desktop computer equals $1,020. So, for calculating the difference of values, we will subtract the initial price of the desktop computer from the final price of the desktop computer as shown in steps. After subtracting, we have $340. Now to calculate percentage decrease in price of desktop computer, substitute the calculated difference of prices, that is $340, and final value of desktop computer, that is $1,020, in the formula for percentage decrease. Then simplify to get percentage decrease. If there are zeros at the end of numbers in fraction, then we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. After further simplification of fraction, we have 25%. Therefore, there is 25% decrease in price of desktop computer. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.